Hey, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the shop. My wife just got a Mark V Rabbit, and as you can see, factory floor mats are a little clapped out. So, I got some nice WeatherTech ones, direct fit, but they're not that direct fit. Look at this, nice plastic snaps in, real good. I mean, the post fits through this, but like, doesn't really hold them down. So we're gonna make this a little bit better. So these just pry apart. I swear they just pry apart. There we go. Come on. Alright, start with the passenger side first in case I screw up one. So, like so, you're going to make the opening so that this fits through. So, fresh knife. We're just going to run along the inside of here. This rubber or PVC or whatever WeatherTech claims that these are made out of cuts really easy with a fresh knife. Doesn't have to be that pretty. It's going to be hidden by this setup. I'm gonna have to go a bit more because, well, this fits through. I mean, this doesn't even fit through, and they go into each other. So remember, cut towards your chum, not your thumb. So we're right in the do as I say, not as I do territory right here. Come on. Getting there. I guess we just gotta cut the whole raised section out. Okay. So we gotta cut these bumps down a little bit. Because factory rabbit, they're trimmed away near it. So we're just gonna mark along here. Sorry for bumping you guys. I hope the framing's not shitty on this. And just gonna trim it down. Don't worry, folks, I'm a professional amateur. Now that fits down there perfectly. It snaps right in. So, I'm just going to repeat this on the rest of it. We'll be able to go quicker this time since I know what I actually need to cut. And we'll probably do some fast forwarding when I'm not talking. So past tense, there's fast forwarding, I'm assuming. So remember, we cut all the way through just outside this raised hoop. Then we just trim those raised sections that we just traced before we started cutting. Okay. Put that in there. Done. Now for the driver's side, same thing. Take this, put it here, trace the ribs we gotta cut out. Cut out around the wide part. Did we trace it on this rib? I don't think we did. There we go. Cut all the way through for here. Oh shit. Take that out. Trim it. Trim it. Trim it. Trim that. That's good. Okay, and last one. Trace, 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 trace. We'll see if we can avoid having to cut that one. Ah, just kidding. Yeah, I managed to get away with not having to trim that rib. All right. All right, so total time on that, including figuring out how to do it and explaining myself, was 12 minutes. So after watching this, you better be able to do it in 10.